TrūAura is leading the way in skincare and beauty. Our focus is creating products that specifically protect and nurture a healthy skin microbiome, with the aim of supporting overall skin wellness. The skin microbiome, when healthy, helps to protect us against the many environmental stressors and aggressors our skin faces in today's world. With this focus, we are redefining natural skincare in a very transparent way. Our product development compass always points first toward safety. We view clean and safe as price of entry requirements in today's personal care industry. We formulate our skincare and treatment products and clean color makeup with clinically proven ingredients, prebiotics, probiotics, and targeted peptides that deliver specific benefits. Our products are free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and gluten, and are never tested on animals. The centerpiece of TrūAura is people. At TrūAura, feeling confident in your own skin may begin with noticeable results in your skin's condition, but the environment we have created nurtures and develops self-confidence and personal growth. We offer people an exciting opportunity to be their own boss within a supportive community of independent consultants who will walk alongside you every step of the way. Your success is our passion. TrūAura has developed a technology suite for our independent consultants that aligns with today's shift to online commerce, social media, and mobile applications that puts your business right in the palm of your hand. You can work your business when you want and where you want with your own personal TrūAura website open 24/7. TrūAura is setting the new standard of beauty with healthy skin, a job you love, a restored life balance, and the confidence that comes naturally with healthy skin, and the satisfaction of knowing you are in charge of your time, your income, and your future. We invite you to join us in sharing our healthy skincare and beauty products with others, engaging with our community of confidence, inspiring your true potential, and creating the life of your dreams. If anything you have heard inspires you, please connect with the person who shared this with you and start your journey with TrūAura today.